Hello students, today we are going to learn trigonometry, chapter 8, trigonometry. How we can measure the distance between a ship and a lighthouse, or how to measure the height of a tall tree. To find answers to such questions, we used trigonometry, which is a branch of mathematics. Trigonometry is used in different branches of engineering, astronomy, navigation, etc. So in your previous class, you have studied about triangles. The subject trigonometry starts with right-angled triangle, theorem of Pythagoras, and similar triangles. So here you can see triangle ABC. Which angle is 90 degree? Angle B. Angle B is a right angle and side AC is opposite to angle B is the hypotenuse. That is, hypotenuse means it is the side opposite to 90 degree. Now what is side opposite to angle A? Side BC. And side opposite to angle C is AB. So which is the hypotenuse here? Side AC, which is the side opposite to right angle. Now, can you tell me Pythagoras theorem? Using this triangle ABC, which is right angle at angle B, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, so here we will define the terms related to right angle triangle. So, AC is the, what is AC? AC side AC is the hypotenuse. When we consider angle C, the side opposite to angle C is AB. That is AB, you can write AB is the side opposite to which angle? Side opposite to angle C. Opposite to angle C. Now, what about BC? BC is the adjacent side of angle C. So, BC can be written as adjacent side of which angle? Angle C. Okay. So, again, in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, angle B is equal to 90 degree. The side opposite to angle B is AC. So, AC is the hypotenuse. Consider angle C. For angle C, what is AB? It is the opposite side. So, AB is the side opposite to angle C. And for angle C, what is BC? It is the adjacent side of angle C. Now, we are going to define trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So these 6 trigonometric ratios are very important. You have to learn this by heart. First one is sine ratio. We write S-I-N-E, sine. In short form, we write sine. Sine ratio is equal to, or if we consider angle C, sine angle C is equal to, definition is opposite side. This is the definition of sine ratio. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. And which is the opposite side of angle C? Opposite side of angle C is AB. So here we can write AB upon hypotenuse is AC. So sine angle C is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, and using this figure it is AB upon AC. Now next is, or else we can do, if we consider angle C as theta, so we can write sine theta. Instead of writing this angle, we can use this symbol, this angle that is theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now next is cos theta. Cos theta definition is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So here for this angle theta, which is the adjacent side is BC. BC upon hypotenuse is the same, that is AC. Now next is tan theta. Tangent. For tangent we write the short form tan. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is what? The side opposite to angle theta is AB upon adjacent side is BC. So these are the first three ratios: sine theta, cosine theta, which is short form is cos theta, and tangent theta, short form is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Practice at 8.1. Question is, in figure angle R is the angle of triangle, angle R is the right angle of triangle PQR. Write the following ratios: sin P, cos Q, tan P and tan Q. So what is sin P? Consider the right angled triangle PQR, right angle at R. Sin P, that is when we consider this angle, the opposite side is, what is the definition for sine ratio? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side is QR. QR upon hypotenuse is PQ. Second one, cos Q. That is considering angle Q. What is definition? Cos Q is equal to, or cos ratio is equal to, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. For angle Q, adjacent side is QR upon hypotenuse is PQ. So QR upon PQ, and tan P is equal to, definition, opposite side upon adjacent side. For angle P, opposite side is QR upon adjacent side is PR, because PQ is the hypotenuse. And tan Q, when we consider angle Q, PR is the opposite side and QR is the adjacent side. So definition is opposite side upon adjacent side, that is PR upon QR.